Hello, happy homemakers. I am Bailey from My Life as a Homemaker, and today I'm going to be doing the Easter DIY challenge, and it is hosted by Heidi Sambol. She hosts a challenge every month, a different challenge, and it's a DIY challenge every single time. And I've been doing all of them. This is the third one this year, I believe, and this is the third one I've done. So I'm really excited about it. I've been wanting to make this sign for a while. I made a Hello Peeps sign and it's really cute. It's gonna go on my front porch and I can't wait for you guys to see it. But first I'm gonna show you how I make it and what I do, and then I will show you when it's finished. Here we go.
You're like a ghost in my mind. I can't escape you. I need to believe it was right letting you go, 'cause you're like a ghost in my mind. I wanna escape you, but I do not believe it was right letting you go. I can't stand the thought of losing you. Tell me, do you think of me too? 'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it breaks my heart. You're still here though we're apart. I'm seeing your face in my dreams. I can't escape you. Like a movie on repeat, the scenes just go on. I'm hearing your voice in my dreams. I wanna escape you. I really think I made a big mistake. I want you to know I can't stand the thought of losing you. Tell me, do you think of me too? 'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it breaks my heart. You're still here though we're apart. Don't tell me it's over now. Don't tell me it's over now. Don't tell me it's over now. Don't tell me it's over. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me.
Don't forget to check out Heidi's channel in the description box down below. There will also be a playlist in the description box down below, and it will be awesome with a bunch of other people doing this Easter DIY challenge. So make sure to check it out.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving
I love Easter so much. We host a big Easter party every year for my family, and it's one of our favorite parties that we host throughout the year, and I just love having decorations. I've decided I'm not much of an Easter decorator throughout the season, just mostly like the day, but I really do love Easter. It's my favorite. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this craft. Don't forget to check out Heidi's channel in the description box down below. Also, don't forget to check out the playlist in the description box down below. There will be a bunch of wonderful people doing this collaboration, and I'm sure they're going to be so much fun to watch. So don't forget to check it out, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.
But feeling, just loving